I'm deeply honored to stand here before you to discuss a transformative and pivotal topic, the transformation of our informal economy, particularly within the construction sector. This event, organized by the Registracion di Companianan di Construccion Foundation, marks a remarkable moment in the history of an organization that embodies our vision for a safe, fair, and responsible construction sector in Aruba. The data reveals that a significant portion of economic activities in our nation, equivalent to approximately 20% of our GDP, operates in the shadows, outside the formal regulatory framework. Factors such as limited access to formal job opportunities, regulatory complexities, and economic necessity have all contributed to the growth of the shadow economy. The path to formalizing the shadow economy is not an easy one, but it is a journey that our government has embarked upon with unwavering determination. We recognize that formalization is not just a goal, it is a necessity for the well-being of our nation. For too long, the informal construction sector has presented challenges, ranging from safety concerns and subpar quality to limited consumer protection. These challenges not only undermine the integrity of our construction industry, but also pose risks to well-being of our citizens. The formalization of the construction sector will ripple through our economy. It will generate jobs, boost government revenue, and accelerate infrastructure development, aligning with our broader economic objectives. And moreover, it will provide consumers with the assurance of safety and quality while fostering a competitive and ethical business environment.